Electrical fittings. Command comes with a toolbar to help you indicate basic fittings in your plans. Point at tool to see its name. Select a tool to run the command. Follow command prompt line for instructions. Fittings are placed in 3 ways. A. By window, to specify an area to center fitting. B. Select location on a line and show direction. C. Pick location to place fitting. Light. There are 5 types of light, all applied by the same way. Light types are: general light fitting, fluorescent single or double, wall light, chandelier lighting fitting, spotlight. Option for 1 or 2 switches. Switches. You may add extra switches, or turn single to double switch. Electrical join. Draws wiring to indicate connections. Sockets. There are 4 types of sockets. A. Single socket. B. Double socket. C. Cooker socket. D. Shaver socket. Select socket type, pick where to place it, and show direction. Telephones. There are 2 telephone types. A. Main line. B. Extension point. Pick where you want to place fitting. Fan. Fitting is a 30 cm kitchen extractor fan. Pick where you want to place fitting. Television. Indication for television antenna. Pick where you want to place fitting. Main board. Indication where to place main distribution board. Bell. Indication where to place bell. Time switch. Time switch for staircases, corridors, etc. Air conditioned socket. Indication of air conditioned socket location. Computer point. Indication for computer station points, for offices. Telefax or printer point. Indication for telefax or printer station point, for offices. Electrical symbols. Table for electrical symbols, explaining each fitting. Hide electrical panel. Select this button to turn off electrical toolbar.